Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today video is about traffic engineering. In KSA, what standard we need to follow for the traffic engineering? What are the standards to be followed? In this video we will discuss for the taper, for the including everything, signboards, directional sign, each and everything, from where we will take the standard dimension. We will talk about this. Suppose we have an existing road here and we want to make it's a detour here for the work inside this zone. So what standard we will follow? In this video or in the videos we will discuss this standard. So this video is important for those who are already in KSA or willing to come to KSA in future. So they must understand, they must know this standard. So the first thing I will show you the first stage, what we get from the client, the original existing surface, the original existing situation on the side, and I will show you the final on how after finishing work, how do we make these signboards, how we close, we make the new road inside this to work here. I will turn up the edge because it's not matching this one. Like this, how we make the detour to work inside the road where traffic, you cannot stop traffic, you allow traffic to pass and you work inside this area. Similar to all this project we will discuss in this video. From here we will take the standard. So the first thing, if I open one thing, this is PDF which is called Saudi Highway Codes, and there are different type of code. If I go above here, I will zoom little bit. These are the key list of the Saudi highway codes. For the introduction, this Saudi highway code 101 is using for general purposes. For planning and preliminary studies, we are using Saudi highway code 201. This for the planning process. The Saudi highway code 202 is for surveying and mapping. 203 preliminary studies. Preliminary study including the primaries thing we are doing in the project start. So these are the codes you can use for the planning and preliminary studies. The next, if I come here, the design of highways, bridges and tunnels. So if you are designing in the design department, so you must know this Saudi highway code 301, which is highway geometric design. Saudi highway code 302, highway facilities and utility design, hydraulic design. Then 303 is highway facilities and utility design, rest area, truck inspection station, parking and garage facilities. Then the next 304, highway facilities and utility design, passive safety system design, 305. We are following here 3051 highway facilities and utility design, work zone design. We use here 305. Then 306 is for highway facilities and utility design, public utility, highway and street lighting, control and monitoring design. Hopefully you will understand these things. Then the next thing, 307, highway facilities and utility design, landscaping, planning, outdoor and advertising. Then like this, 308, payment design, 309, material specification and standard testing, 310 is bridge and tunnel design. So if you are design section, you must know this standard and you must follow this standard to make these things under design section. Okay, the construction of highway, bridges and tunnel. Then 401 for construction highway, construction bridges and tunnel, construction of highway facility. 40. Then 501 is for payment, highway, bridges and tunnel maintenance and management system is 50123. As you can see here what they describe already, they write. So it's help us to know which code we will follow in which department. Then traffic engineering, what we are talking about in this video, we are following 601, 602, 603. Also this 305, also this is working in the traffic engineering. Then environmental aspect of highway, then 701, environmental effect of highway. Then autonomous vehicle requirement, 801. So this was the summary, the key list of this Saudi highway code. Okay, these are the standard code. One new latest we are using currently here, with addition to these, are the RCRC manual. If you open this one, it will take little time because these codes, these books are have a very large number of pages. This 601 also have 725 pages. Already I think I have this one. Yes, it's open now. So this is the latest addition to this code for Royal Commission for Riyadh City, which is in short called the RCRC. The temporary traffic management manual for the detour for the, this is in December 2020 is published. So it will also, we will use this standard and with including this the Saudi highway codes to follow our design for the traffic engineering. If I go here, there is a full description of the every aspect of this detour. Suppose this is general, the road classification in the Riyadh, because it is for RCRC mean Royal Commission for Riyadh City, so manually it uses in the Riyadh. So we will study in this series of the videos. We will study all these standard. We will start from the start. We will take start from here. We will study each and everything. Suppose the road classification in Riyadh, the expressway, the right of way, how much we should keep the right of way, average running speed. So in this series of video we will talking about all these things about the traffic engineering.